Who do the Jets play? They play New England. And what is New England famous for? They're famous for lobster rolls. And guess what we're making today? Every day. Cooking day. Cooking every day. Welcome in. Welcome back, guys. The New York Jets are playing the New England Patriots. And they're famous for lobster rolls right up there, right? Now, I'm making my own lobster rolls, my style, right? So we got this at Langostino's lobster tails, right? Got this out of Costco, guys. But I actually made a video a couple of weeks ago, but I lost the audio, right? And as you can see, I went through the whole thing and it was perfect, but no audio. So I saw this already cooked, hot dog roll, butter, some garlic. Guys, easy schmeezy. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're at our pan right now, right? And we're just gonna go down with some butter. We're gonna toast our buns, right? Now the pan is still kind of cold. I just turned the heat on. So I'm gonna bring these up slowly. All right, guys, we have a really low pan. I'm using salted butter this time, right? I'm using salted butter. I usually don't use that, but decided to go with salted butter today. I'm gonna go down with the whole rest of this steak. And let me just put a little bit of avocado oil so our butter doesn't burn up on us. We're gonna let this melt. And guys, what I did was I put these in cold water because they have come frozen, right? They come frozen. So what I did was I put them in cold water. I let them, get nice and soft, and I drained them. So this way they're not wet, right? We're not gonna be super wet, right? Maybe I'll dry these off with some paper towels. Be right back. All right, guys, so this is what I did. I just put it on a paper towel, and I'm just gonna blot the top. Just get these as dry as I can, right? We don't want to add any extra water because then all of this is going to start popping all over the place. We got our garlic, right? It says it's got this from Aldi. It says it's a stir-in paste. We're going to find out. Okay, go in. Just say that's 1 tablespoon. We'll start there, right? See how well this incorporates. 1 more tablespoon. So that's 2. Now this is on a low flame, right? And guys, everything in me is telling me to season this up. So I'm going in with this all-purpose seasoning here, right? Got garlic, black lemon pepper. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit, not too much. And guys, this is my take on a lobster roll, right? Just a little bit, not too much. I say about a teaspoon or so. I'm just gonna let this go for a few minutes, and then we're gonna put our lobsters in. All right, guys, that's been going for a few minutes. Now don't forget, this is already cooked. So we just need to kind of heat it through just a little bit, right? So in we go. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna get this all heated through on the butter. It's still on low, right? We don't want to do anything too rapid, right? Because we don't want to get these overcooked. You know what? Let me give that butter a taste. Just a taste. Yep, that works. All right, guys, let me just let's just check the temperature. Let's taste one of these. It's good, guys. These are going in the bread. I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, so what I did was, let me just show you. I took the hot dog roll, right? The one that's split on the top, and I just pushed the insides in, right? So we can get a whole lot more lobster in there, right? Just pushed them in. And we got our sides toasted. And guys, we put a little butter lettuce in here, right? Just for a little crunch factor. So I'm gonna do 2 of them without and 2 with. So Let's go ahead and get these in. Now with the lobsters. One without. Guys, it's a lot less than when we started with. They do shrink up a little. One without. All right, guys, and I'm just gonna go on top with some more butter, right? Just on top with some more butter. All right, guys, so now I'm just gonna go on top with some butter, right? On this one. All right, we're gonna give this a taste. Let's see, I'm gonna go with the one with the butter lettuce first. Guys, with the butter lettuce, that little bit of crunch, extra crunch. Guys, this is perfect. Way easier than cutting up a lobster. This is the way to go. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.